Imagine a world where your personal data is completely secure, where supercomputers solve global challenges in seconds, and where your internet is faster than you ever thought possible. This isn't the distant future, it's the promise of the quantum internet. But what is the quantum internet, and how could it change your life? Let's dive in and explore, right here on Science Decoded. Right now, the internet we use is built on bits, tiny units of information that represent either a 0 or a 1. Think of bits like light switches. They're either on or off. This system has served us well for decades, powering everything from video calls to online shopping. But here's the thing, traditional internet has limitations. It struggles with ever-growing data demands, and no matter how many firewalls or encryptions we add, it remains vulnerable to cyber attacks. That's where quantum technology comes in. It works on a whole new level, using something called quantum bits, or qubits. Unlike regular bits, qubits don't have to choose between 0 and 1. They can exist in a state of superposition, meaning they can be 0, 1, or something in between at the same time. Think of it like a spinning coin. It's not heads or tails until it lands. This ability allows qubits to process massive amounts of information all at once, making them incredibly powerful. But that's not all. The real magic of the quantum internet lies in something called quantum entanglement. When two particles are entangled, they're connected in a way that even Einstein found baffling. If you change one particle, the other responds instantly, no matter how far apart they are. This creates an ultra-secure way to share information. Why? Because if someone tries to intercept your data, the entanglement breaks, and you'll know immediately. It's like sending a secret message that self-destructs if anyone else tries to read it. This makes the quantum internet virtually unhackable. Governments, banks, and businesses are already looking forward to a future where their data is completely safe. And it's not just about security. Quantum technology has the power to transform industries on a global scale. Let's talk about quantum computers. These supercomputers, powered by qubits, can solve problems that would take today's computers thousands, even millions of years. For example, they could simulate complex molecules to design life-saving medicines, optimize global supply chains, or even crack the toughest climate models to predict and combat climate change. Now, imagine these quantum computers connected through a quantum internet. The possibilities are mind-blowing. Countries like China, the United States, and Germany are already racing to build the first fully functional quantum internet. China has launched satellites capable of quantum communication, while researchers in Europe and the US are creating quantum networks that could soon link entire cities. But how does this affect you? Let's look at a few real-world examples. For everyday users, the quantum internet could mean faster, more reliable connections. Streaming 8K videos, playing immersive virtual reality games, or uploading massive files. All could happen in the blink of an eye. And when it comes to security, you could say goodbye to worrying about your personal data being hacked or leaked. On a larger scale, industries like healthcare and transportation could be revolutionized. Even space exploration could benefit. Quantum communication could allow us to send and receive information across vast distances almost instantly. This could be a game changer for missions to Mars, Europa, or even beyond. But while the potential is exciting, we're not there yet. Building a quantum internet is incredibly challenging. Quantum particles are fragile. They're affected by the slightest vibrations or temperature changes, which makes maintaining their connections difficult. Researchers are working on innovative solutions, like special cooling systems and advanced error correction algorithms, to make quantum networks stable and reliable. It's a massive undertaking, but progress is being made every day. So, when can we expect the quantum internet to become a reality? Some experts predict we'll see the first practical quantum networks within the next 10 to 20 years. And while it might not replace the internet we use today overnight, it will likely start as a specialized network for governments, research institutions, and major corporations before eventually becoming accessible to everyone. The quantum internet might sound like science fiction, but it's closer than you think. It promises a safer, smarter, and faster world, one where the limits of today's technology no longer hold us back. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the science shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video here on Science Decoded.